Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we are here with our last and final manicure of 2021. It is New Year's Eve, folks. We're doing a New Year's Eve mani. I've been requested by Cammie and Sassy to do a mani start to finish. So that's what I'm going to do. As you see, I did do one nail, so it's a little bit start to finish. I'm going to take that nail off. I'm going to apply a base coat by PG. I already did that, my bad. I did do that, I'm sorry. I cured for 30 to 60 seconds. We're going to go in with an Eye Gel Beauty CE40 Sapphire. This is a 5D cat eye, it says. And this is a beautiful, beautiful blue. Sapphire blue. That is going to be our base. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one coat on, a thinner coat, and I'm going to cure it. Then we're going to come back in with our magnet on the second coat. Send this out, make sure I'm covered. Okay, we're going to go on with our next nail. If you are new here and you have just stumbled across my channel on New Year's Eve, I ask you to subscribe. Click the all on the notification bell. I have a giveaway running until tomorrow sometime. I will draw January 1st for 2 lucky ladies, 1 US, 1 UK. I have got 3 sponsors on each side of the pond. For UK, it is UMIC, LKKJJ, I believe it is. If Allison, I've messed it up, please forgive me. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen. And Charlie's Nail Art, gift cards from Charlie's Nail Art. They are shipping out, all 3 companies. US side, we have got She Modern. I'm so drawing a brain fart. She Modern, J&M Berries, and Beauty, which is the sister company of UMIC stateside. Whoops. Shoot. So here we are with the one coat. I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Give these a quick little cure. And we'll come back in for our second round. Alright, we're going to go in for our second layer. This is where I'll be using the magnet. This you can put on in a thicker coat. This is such a stunning, stunning blue. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. But I'm going to put this on the lamp or the stand right now. I don't know if you can tell between the 1 and 2 coats, but they are beautiful. Brain fart. I'm gonna go in with the circle. Oh, that looks really cool. Maybe this is the corner. Whoops. Shoot. I keep touching it, so it's definitely got some effect going on there. I think that is really pretty. Ooh. Too much polish, too much polish. There is such a thing as too much polish. Even when you're doing cat eye. We want some of this off. Finger on the bottom. That is so beautiful. I just can't get over how beautiful this polish is. So we're going to go in with this one. This nail really won't matter. I shouldn't say that, but I'm going to put it's the bling, but they're so fine. It's like almost a dust. So I'm going to try and cover the middle nail and all of that, which is just going to be beautiful. So we're not going to concentrate too much on that nail with the magnet. Now what should we do? Can you see that? I think that is beautiful. And do it down here at the tip. I think that is just stunning. I'm going to stick these in the lamp all together. Again, this is iGel Beauty. Oops. And the color, hold on just a minute. I think the color is called Sapphire. Let that self-level for just a minute. Yes, it's just Sapphire. CE40 Sapphire. I ordered 2 bottles. I ordered one for me and one for my bestie Tammy. It was supposed to have been here before Christmas and it didn't arrive, so she's got a late Christmas present coming. What do you think? It was kind of simple with the magnet, but I think I just think it's stunning. I had to play with it a little bit, just a little bit. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give them a full 60-second cure, and then let me see. Our top coat we're going to be using is by iGel Beauty No Wipe Top Coat. Should I use that or, yes. I'll use my top coat. Look at that top coat, isn't that beautiful? So this nail is our pinky nail. We're going to be adding some bling to it. I'll start while those are in the oven. Hope everyone has a safe New Year's Eve. I know everybody wants to get out there and party and do their thing, carry on and whatnot, but please be safe in all that you do, especially when it comes to driving. It's not only you have to watch out for, it's everybody else out on the road too. So please be safe. Make sure you have a designated driver, whether if it's somebody in your group, a limo, a cab. Hello, I'm back. My phone cut off after a little over 10 minutes. So it did not get none of the nail art that I was doing. It did get this nail that I was doing, which is the pinky. The thumbnail is the same, but it did not show the other 3 nails, and I'm so disappointed. I really wanted to do a video start to finish. That was my plan, but I forgot to delete some older videos prior to filming, so it didn't get it. I'm very sorry. It really bummed me out because I think this manicure turned out really nice. So I did the thumb and the pinky in bling. The ring finger I took, and I'm gonna call it like they're AB crystals, but they're so little. So I took them. It's like almost like a dusting, but I took them and I put them all over the whole nail. I don't recommend this, or I recommend maybe using something better than top coat, because that's what I used, and some of them are popping off. But it is also pretty for New Year's Eve. These are just regular AB. These are not Swarovskis. The thumb and the pinky are Swarovski crystals. These are real. These should sparkle in the light. But here's my finished manicure. I think this turned out really nice for New Year's Eve. I would gladly wear this, proudly. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the finished manicure. I'm sorry you didn't get to see, so very sorry that you didn't get to see what I had done in action. But thank you, Tammy, for my charms. Those came from Tammy's Manny's, and I greatly appreciate it. They surely came in handy to New Year's Eve set. Down in the comments, the first comment will be pinned with a playlist of the other gals that decided to take part in this New Year's manicure. There was a few of us, so check out their videos, show some love, some support, subscribe to their channels. If you haven't already subscribed here, please do so. I have a giveaway going on until tomorrow. I will draw January 1st, 2 lucky winners, one on each side of the pond. Our sponsors for UK are Umic, LLKKJ Glitters, and Charlie's Nail Art will sponsor a $10 gift card. Please use my code at checkout, NailedIt10, in all caps. That way you get to save yourself 10% off your order. Stateside, you have She Modern, $50 gift card to She Modern. Please use my code at checkout, NailedIt67, all caps. J.M. Berry sponsors a lacquer, and Pucci sponsors a collection, which is the sister company to Umic. So you've got them on both sides of the pond. All you got to do to enter is be 18 years of age or older. Subscribe to my channel. Follow all the sponsors on Instagram, which there is a post. You do need to share the post or screenshot the original video and share it and tag me. That way I know. And I will draw January 1st. Good luck to everybody who does enter, and I appreciate your support. And since this is the last video of 2021, I want to tell everyone thank you that has subscribed to me, that has stayed with me from the beginning. I've been here a little over 4 years. A lot of people quit after 2, maybe 3, but here I am going on my 5th year. I appreciate everybody's support, your love, your ideas, your suggestions. And I hope that you will continue to stay in 2022 and see what it brings us. not just in the nail art world, but in life in general. Sometimes I share little tidbits of my life with you. I hope everybody's going to be safe tonight. Spend it with people you love, your friends, your family, your loved ones, your significant other. That's what I'll be doing. I'll be home. I'll be with my mother and my son, and hopefully what I call my Pookie. He'll be here with us and bringing in the new year. So we will bring this one to an end. It's been a real ride. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you. Happy 2022.